Okay, let's start. We'll go from right to left. So we'll start with Laura.
Yeah. Hello, I'm a big cat.
You're a big cat.
Is that the question?
No. Am I in HololiveEnglish?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Am I very tall?
No.
No.
Am I short? Like very short? Super short?
No.
Okay. I don't know what to. Am I? Do I have blue eyes?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, do I have short hair?
Yes.
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 I forgot.
You forgot.
Am I evil?
Yes, the evilest.
No.
Am I evil?
No.
Yeah. Do I say bow bow?
Sometimes.
Am I you? Mococo?
Mama!
That's correct.
You don't have it.
Laura, that was your first guess too. Congratulations.
Yay!